What if the thing that's draining your energy isn't even yours? A curse, an attachment, something that's feeding on your energy. There's a rune formula created to cleanse it. Watch till the end of the video to learn how to use it. This rune formula consists out of 5 runes. Start drawing it from the middle. It's the main rune, Sovilo, is the rune of the sun energy, rune of fire, a rune of light. This energy will burn down and will dissolve all the darkness with light and fire. Then there are 2 Naudis runes. These runes are enforcing the action of the Sovilo rune and making sure that all the darkness, all the negative energy is burned down and dissolved. Then there is the rune Kenas, is also a rune of a fire element, a rune of light and also a rune of passion. This will add life energy to the action of this rune formula, so it will not be so hard on you. And also the rune Lagos is the rune of the water element. This is also a supportive rune. It will help to wash away all the negative energy, all the remains after the burning process, and also it will support you with its gentleness, with its water, with its cooling down. This is a cleansing rune formula, so you don't keep active it for a long time, usually from 1 to 11 days. Appropriate incantation for this rune formula could sound like this: by the power of these runes. Then you specify what exactly you need to burn down or remove. You say that it will be burned and that this rune formula works in the safest way possible for me, so be it. Download my free runes PDF file with rune meanings, rune formulas and rune spreads. The link is in description or on my profile page. Now, how do you activate the rune formula? Draw the runes on a piece of paper. Then take a candle in a candle holder, put it on top of your paper, say your incantation, and then light the candle. Let the candle burn down completely. After that, the amulet is activated and ready. For more detailed instructions, get my Rune Magic Quick Start course. It's a short, value-packed video course that will answer all your questions and enable you to start doing rune magic today.